Hello, build space. I'm building CoMedAI to help the radiologists. CoMedAI is an AI-powered mobile application to generate, manage, report brain MRI observations. Look, CoMed Inc. building CoMedAI to help radiologists. CoMedAI, an AI-powered mobile application to generate, manage, and report brain MRI observations. Okay, let me show you the brand new website. Here you can see we have added the logo. There is a navigation bars. There is email. Just enter your email here. Click on the get updates. You get updates every day. Okay, small description. CoMed Inc. is a software development company. We believe innovative software can revolutionize the healthcare industry by enhancing the accuracy of diagnoses and integrating seamlessly into hospital and clinic workflows. We contribute to better patient care by fostering a supportive community among healthcare professionals and the patients worldwide, leading to improved medical outcomes and a more interconnected healthcare system. Here you can see the logo, and here are some terms, privacy policy, about it, and this one, LinkedIn. Yeah, you know this. Just click on this. Okay, let me show you the CoMedAI. Here, CoMedAI. Look, CoMedAI 1.0 is out with new UI. Just try it now here. Just click here and try it now. It opens the document. You have everything. You have download the APK, enter credentials, or create an account. Just try it out. Okay, the easiest way to generate, manage, and report medical data, enhance diagnosis accuracy, and streamlines workflows for radiologists. Get started now. Just click this. Simplicity and flexibility at its core. CoMedAI is designed to simple and easy to use, yet powerful and flexible. Here you can see the UI, easy add observation. Here you can see really easy. Just select the scan type, select or add patient here, fill out the form, and click generate. Here you can see the generation conclusion, and here radiologist enters the name and just submit it. Click here, and then there is observation. Radiologist manages everything. Just see how it's clear. There is a date. Have a date. We have a scan type. It's a brain MRI. We have a radiologist name. We have a status. It's approved or it's pending. And then here you can see the report. On click generate report, it will generate the report. See how it's easy. Click this and discover the design itself. Just go here. It opens up the Figma. You can see here a bunch of designs. Yeah, nice. Here also, here mobile versions. Just everything is open source. Let's back. How to use CoMedAI. It's easy. Just click this. You can see here I explained everything in detail, from signing up to generating the reports. Just see this. Okay, how CoMedAI works inside. How inside? Just click this video. You can see the system design. There is how it's going on, and there's inside. What action is dispatching? You can see there is a Firebase, there is a actions, there is a Redux, there is a services. You can see. Oops. Okay, what's the next? And just click this discover design, and it opens the full view. You can see here. Let me show you. Oops. here. You can see the Firebase. Here you can see the backend. There you can see the model. There's Redux. There's actions, dispatching actions. Here, get all patients, everything. And this is open source. And here you can see the how accurate is the model. Oops. Okay. As you can see here, where here. The best model is GPT. Oops. 3.5 fine-tuned. This is our model, the best version. And here you can see everything: JSON, TXT files, benchmarking, and the best part, this is also open source. Just click this GitHub and you go to GitHub repository. There you can see everything. Check this out. It's public. You can see it's open source. And this is a quick demo how I benchmark this. Full explanation. And everything is open source. Just click this learn more and you can see the full stuff here. Business model, presentation, UI UX, system design, pitch, YouTube videos, live demo, explanations, system design, GitHub, APK, everything. Comed Inc. Go here. Hi buddy. Click this. Enter your email. Enter your email. Click this. Get updates. And you can see thank you for subscribing. You get the updates.